The tamping rammer will be securely packed to prevent damage during transportation and storage. First, unscrew the fixing bolts on the carton protective frame. Remove 8 fixing bolts on both the left and right sides of the protective frame. Then remove the protective frame and carton. Then remove the internal fixing bolts for the tamping rammer base. Unscrew the oil dipstick and prepare to add 4-stroke engine oil. Engine oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. Use funnel to add engine oil. Unscrew the fuel tank cap, filling the tank with gasoline fuel. Fuel type: regular unleaded gasoline. Turn the fuel valve to the on position. Turn the engine choke level to start position. Turn the engine on-off switch to the on position. First, pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This 2-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. Note: immediately turn the engine carburetor choke valve to run position after starting. Note: when starting a warmed-up engine, adjust the choke to half or full run position. After a cold start, idle the tamping rammer for approximately 30 seconds to warm up. Please engage the tamping rammer on level soft surfaces or in designated work areas. After completing preparations, activate the ramming mechanism of the tamping rammer. After completing work, deactivate the ramming mechanism of the tamping rammer. Turn the engine on-off switch to the OFF position. Turn the fuel valve to the OFF position. Close the engine carburetor to start position.